This is a gasification skid project in Nigeria. Electrical control part. It is composed of integral explosion-proof box, touch screen, switch, indicator light, etc. It is usually in a sealed state, including the touch screen is also in a protective sealed state. Under normal circumstances, the operation of the explosion-proof box is a button operation. Before the explosion-proof box is energized, be sure to note that the emergency stop button is in a pop-up state. When an emergency cutoff is required, press the emergency stop button. Here is the total power supply of the system. The total power supply is on the left and it is off. All buttons are closed to the left. Twist the main power to the right. Turn on the main power of the controller. The main power indicator is on, and the power is normal. The system is online. The yellow fault indicator lights up here, indicating that the device is faulty. The touch screen system has 4 interfaces. The first is the main interface, which is composed of a simple project process animation, and has the collection and monitoring of real-time parameters such as temperature and pressure of the project and real-time changes. At the bottom of the main interface, there are scrolling prompts for error items with a red bar bottom and white words. If there is an error, check the error according to the error item and solve the error. After the error is solved, press the reset button until the error is eliminated, and the fault indicator light goes out. If the error is not resolved, press the reset button, the error will regenerate, and the error indicator will light up again until the error is resolved. This is a simple animation diagram of the process. After issuing the corresponding instructions, there will be corresponding animations. The second interface is the parameter setting interface. This interface will record the record and setting of the upper and lower limits of the sensor range. The third interface is the operation interface. There are 2 operation modes to choose from. The first is the touch screen operation mode, and the second is the operation mode of the explosion-proof box button. The default setting and the general situation. Use the operation mode of the explosion-proof box button, if it is not necessary, such as the explosion-proof box button is damaged. No need to use the touch screen operation mode. In the button operation mode, the touch screen operation is not effective. Only when the touch screen operation mode is selected, can the touch screen operation be performed and the valve buttons can be operated. For example, open this valve. Every time a valve is opened, there will be a corresponding animation. Open the other valves in turn, there will be a simple animation of the valve flow. Close the valve and the animation disappears. The last interface is the history record interface. The history record interface will record the errors that have occurred, and it is divided into red and green records. The red record means that the error generated has not been eliminated, and the error that has not been eliminated will continue to scroll at the bottom of the touch screen until the error is eliminated. And the reset button is pressed. The eliminated errors will turn green. Press the reset button, the error will turn green. Release the reset button, the error is not resolved. The record will still turn back to red after the error is resolved. Also press the reset button, otherwise the error recording and scrolling playback will not stop. On the touch screen, there is also a reset button in the upper right corner. The function is the same as the reset button on the explosion-proof box, and it also has a reset function.